Ghost Pepper. 8 and 9, you see a pretty significant move on a regular basis. Both YM and ES, I mean, most indexes have that. So this is kind of based it on really, really wherever we ended up at prior to getting started. That's really it.
That move I was talking about.
Yeah. So the 406 number that I gave would have been the sell signal. And then that's just really, again, it's all based on when I started doing it. I mean, you can make new numbers every 2 seconds and still say, okay, well, we're not in the US Open, so it's still technically overnight, right? Well, I don't know. When you see a move like this after the chop in the YM for, I don't know, hours on end, it just chopped down, and you see this move, it gets a little bit cleaner after that. That's the move I'm talking about that we see on a regular basis. I count that as intraday, personally. I don't leave that to overnight, even though it's not quite US Open. That's just me. Because just again, I look at where more, the faster the tick counter runs, the closer, the less I count that as an overnight session. Let's keep it that simple. Really that simple. All right. I do have a couple people short. Nobody else shorted on the YM per my instructions, except for the same couple of people that are always doing what I asked to do. Anybody else? You did, Melody? All right, good job. Then you should be plenty profitable for the morning, and maybe think about not trading anymore, Melody.
I have a trend line on the ES range chart, but I'd like to see it break the zone area here. I don't know, Brian, what your thoughts are on that.
I think the ES is going
to be this one, Melody. What's that now? Say that again.
I have a trend line on the range from the ES, but I'd like to see it break the zone.
Well, it broke a trend. It really broke a trend line.
Broke a trend line, yeah.
All right, and we are open for business. So everybody be patient. Wait the first 6 minutes. Make sure that you're not doing ill-advised trades. That's a horizontal line.
This is what I was talking about right here. This guy.
So?
That was a one contract, $300 trade. Now you probably get a drop.
Sell signal on YM. Yes, trying to follow on the sell side of things, guys. Red flag entry there.
366 on the YM.
Let me do this. Keep forgetting that I have that
break of that zone. Wow,
targets
perfectly.
Red flag entry on that one. Let's go down another tick.
Look for a reverse here. Probably gonna go back up and retest this again because it broke the last pullback.
You're on ES?
The YM.
You're talking ES? Oh, YM.
Yeah.
Yeah. First touch rules are working again, people. Look at that. Isn't that amazing? First touch rules. You're all around the pivot on YM too, so be careful. Oh, come on, ES. Don't take me out.
And I told him just the way that it hit the 89 coming out of the zone last time, it was preluding that it was going to go back up there.
Yeah, the open was a little squirrely on the YM. Now your first touch rule is not being respected, so yeah, look at that line chart making a nice little dub there for you on the YM. So now you watch that prior swing from 8 a.m. So watch that prior swing from 8 a.m. If that gets violated on that YM, you shut off the. Oh, it got me. You shut off the short calls for a minute or two. This might good sell signal here. Little tiny M on the YM. ES is trying to make a little W there. Still with the ES, you're still looking at this as pretty much inside trading day until it breaks down or breaks up. I mean, there's nothing spectacular about this swing in the ES right now. I mean, it's only what?
It's the auto trader.
Is it not even 10-point swing? So I mean, that's tradable. 10-point swing.
Yeah.
But you're still treating it like an inside day for the moment. You should have gotten targets off on the YM if you did that. But again, most people are waiting a few minutes. Most people are. I do have a couple people that are trading right now. They're more experienced. They know how to handle the stuff themselves in an environment like this. So everybody else, just be patient. Wait a few minutes.
NQ, back to back on the auto trader.
You got a little bit of a reverse. We really need to be above. What was the number I gave you guys on the ES there? Above 65. I really like to see stay above 65 for me to get real confident on those buy signals. So what am I saying? I'm partial in this trend neutral environment on the ES. I am partial to the sell signals right now. Why? Does anybody want to know why? Come on, say why. Now, you are getting a little bit of a double bottom here. Mm-mm. Why am I partial? Again, there's some decent buy signals coming from here. I called that W a minute ago. Also
Nice.
called the M. But what's that?
Wait for it. Send me something.
What's up? D.
Sewell single.
Break up.
Wow.
Nice.
Wow.
We really got to get that cleaned up and packaged.
No
Gotta
crap.
get it to our members because that's a big tool.
That's something else.
I
Yeah,
think
we gotta work on that.
That's pretty cool. Play for it.
Mhm.
with the stochastics too.
Guys, you're gonna love this when we release it.
Oh, I got a couple people on the ES long now, a couple people on YM long. Anybody else do the 1-2-3 reversal trade that I called out in the YM? Anybody else? Anybody
When
else
it
on
was
the
on top
ES? I know I got 2 people on the YM, 2 people on the ES. Don't you want the
Awesome.
beta testers? Huh?
when it was on top of the zone
Senor? See, senor?
on the
What'd you
YM.
say?
You said 1-2-3 reversal. Was that when it was on top of the zone? Can you point it out?
Bingo. Yep. That was it. So a break above that little spot signified the actual reversal. So you guys could be long in that. Stops to at least 460 right now. Stay long on the YM. ES gave you another sell signal. Bounce right into zone. Rejection wick here probably actually signified a decent buy signal. Staying long. Anybody else long on the YM? Nobody? Stops up to, let's see, 480. You get a runner out of this, guys. Only 2 people want the runner on this one. That's cool. Maybe we could go up to like 490 now, easy. Cool. So the sell signals on the ES. Didn't call it. Somebody should have called that. Dang it. My bad, y'all. Slacking today. Slacking. I don't know. I feel like if you took any of the 2 calls I made so far, you should be pretty green.
Yeah, if you took any of the ones I was talking about while you guys were gone.
Should be green. There you go. Between myself and Mr. Wait for here, you guys should be pretty darn green this morning. If you guys need any ticks, let us know. If you need any ticks, let us know.
This that one I was talking about was 79 ticks.
Nice. Yeah. Here's the deal. You guys have plenty of opportunity to get green. Be good this morning. Don't overtrade. Follow Melody's follow suit with Melody and get green and get going and get out of here. Be done with it this morning. Have to trade. Yeah. You don't have to give your money back either. What do we have last stop on 4? 491 probably now is a stop. Another tick on the YM. And then did anybody do the short on the ES? Anybody know? Animal. What are you, like a vet or something?
Patching
Taking
in.
taking in stray animals and fixing them up there, Ed? The baby bird fell out of its nest and you're patching it up. Little squirrel. Found a squirrel in your trash can. Just joking around, Ed. You and wait for it, both same fate. Cat scratch fever. And you get scratched by your cats this morning.
Ah,
That's a cell signal, by the way. Getting scratched by cats. It's an official cell signal. You know that? Ooh. Yuck. Stay short on the ES now, people. A break below this prior swing I have marked off here on my ES chart would be a pretty big sell signal there, guys. So if it breaks below that, just tick right to it. Look at that. Isn't that amazing how that works? What? Price action repeats itself? No, don't worry about that. That's not important. That's not important, is it, guys? Wait for it, Paul.
yes,
Absolutely.
sir.
Knowing that price action repeats itself is not important, right?
No.
You don't need to know that.
No.
Trading from prior swings, it's not important. I mean, look at this. You could pull the Lulu here. Hey, Lulu, where are your limits? Where are your limit orders at? Oh, you're gonna start telling everybody, keeping it a secret. I'm gonna kick you out of the room, Lulu. There it is. There's your sell signal, guys. And don't we have somebody? Got somebody talking right now? I think, right?
I don't think so.
Target's off. Dang, I was gonna do that. I think I'm gonna order it in time. Dang nabbit. 46. You had your order 46. Nice. All right, everybody's staying short on the ES. YM, folks, your stop now can be 520. And that is going to give you about 10 more points to get the runner. I think. What's that? You probably got in. Where'd you guys get in at on the YM? Probably at 455. So you're at 555-ish. Would give you the runner. So watch for that. We're going to have some runners here, people. 2 people on the YM.
3 days in a row.
Huh? Runners 3 days in a row?
Didn't we have them 3 days in a row?
Yep. Hey, I told you I'm back, guys. We're going to have runners now. Flat on the ES. Looking for the next sell signal. Now, is it smart that I was partial to sell signals on the ES? Yes or no? Did I do something good? Did I give good advice today? I need a pat on the back. No? Gosh, you guys are rough.
Right?
You guys could have even said yes. I'm struggling for confidence today. Really, I'm just joking around. I hope draw people don't think that. Members like, well, you're not struggling for any kind of confidence. Ego barely fits in the room at boot camp. Another sell signal. First touch rule. Just missed it on the ES. Dang. You still got 9 tick that's coming up there. Possibly. I don't like it sitting on this prior swing, though. That's one thing I don't like. I like selling below it. I mean, I would be comfortable selling. I missed it again. I keep trying to get my chart. Can't. I'm not going to go in late again. But you should have targets off, guys. If anybody do the sell signal on the ES, anybody first touch rule? Bueller, you can tell me no. I just want interaction. Oh, James got it. Good. Hey, what's up? James, what's happening, man? Glad to see you here. Missed it by a second, Lulu. Oh, all right. Well, stay in it. Stops to 46.75 right now. Looks like you're. I'd be wary of the buy signals on the YM right now, guys. You got that M that formed up there. Maybe try first touch for a scalp if it gets there. Actually, guys, we do have the 89 blocked off on the. It is on. There's a purple dot above current price at below current price on YM, above current price on the ES that should be 89. So you actually have that. Whoever's asking for that, who asked for that on the? Hey, what's up? Good morning. You got your brain rattled, dude. That book's gonna get you. You're gonna be if you're not. People are becoming conspiracy theorists after that book. After reading that book.
Oh, tune full of hats.
Good deal. Good morning, Brian. All right. So you're obviously looking for sell signals, Brian, and you're doing it from prior swings today. Let's keep it that simple.
Nice.
Right? I love that book, Creature from Jekyll Island. See if another first touch rule works here too, guys. If you're not already green though, don't do it without proper stochastics. So don't take the trade without proper stochastics, unless you're already pretty green for the day. Still starting to think that the sell signals are the name of the game here on the YM. You're doing the first touch, and you were already green. Get yourself some targets fast. Both YM and ES, opposite sides. I don't trust long on the YM right now, guys. Just telling you what I think. You can do whatever you want to do. Like I said, if you do the first touch rule, get your targets fast on the YM, ES, I would be confirming that with something different, like a rejection wick, 6-9 tick rule, something else. I do like that first touch rules are back. I don't like that. All right. Most of you guys, targets off on that little M first touch rule. The ES, that was not really in my game plan, so I didn't want to take advantage of that one. I should have probably though, since I missed the past two I wanted to do. Targets off now. Anybody do the ES short that I just called like 5 minutes in advance? Anybody all do that? Good guys. Good job. Good job, guys. Targets off. Get your stop to a no lose, meaning like probably like I don't know. We only use 47 right now. Still nothing to take action on with the YM. If you're doing it long, take your targets now. Still not partial to the long trades on the YM yet. Definitely targets off if you took the long first touch rule on the YM now. You're probably flat on the ES. So good little trades there, guys. I mean, not every trade can be a runner, but novice bar is kicking in here on the YM too. Some of those novice bars. Well, ES is coiling up, guys, for a breakout. So pick a side, any side. Gonna break out. Where to? I don't know. Let's look. What time is it?
Upside. No.
Yeah. You'd think that you'd see a little push up.
Yeah. Inside, double inside reverse right there. It's going to go up and then maybe reject
Yeah,
back.
it's still yeah, I think you're right on that one. It's still trading like an inside day too, right? So treat it as such. Because it is actually an inside day. Huh. What? Is that how that works? You tell me it trades like inside day. First touch rule still working. Both YMES. I love it. First touch rule came back. For those of you that are newer to us, here, I'll show you on my ES screen. You can do it on YM screen. We can do it on the YM screen either way. ES screen. When we have a change, we use a on the tick chart here. If you guys want to look at, those of you that are new to us, want to look at my ES charts, just click on Coach Brian ES and mosey over to that screen, and you'll see a chart here. We call it tick chart. And when we have 89 exponential and 200 simple moving average, and when we have a cross in that, in directional type of environments like down, like right now down, then and momentum's turned down or 89 is turning down, we have a rule called the first touch rule, which says that price will usually retrace to that 89 exponential moving average. Oh, there you go, Paul. And you can take a sell signal or multiple sell signals off of that same price action that retreats to that 89 and pushes down. Same thing on the top side here. Like, let's back real quick and show a good one from the long side. Same thing on the long side. I know this overnight, but it's still same principle. Comes down, gets close to this 89 and bounces off of it. First touch rule. First touch rule. All right. Hopefully you guys get the idea on that. It's a really cool trade setup. I love it. It's just in non-trending markets like here. Where was that at? Here it was. In a non-trending market where the 89 is really kind of flat, you don't want to use it. But it still works, even like this right here, right? So 89 is flat, don't want to use it. There you go. All right. First touch rule, and 89 is starting to flatten out right now. So you don't want to rely on the first touch rule as much. Simple. Got another one coming up on the YM. We're already past. So now you guys are looking for the breakout on the ES. And again, wait for it, called it to the upside. So probably going to be to the upside. Now you could also possibly look at the Crable today. Yeah, you could totally look at the Crable today. I guess you could look at the Crable on both the ES and YM. How many ticks were you guys off from getting a runner? 10? That's pretty good. Targets off on the on the YM with the first touch rule. Did anybody do the YM first touch rule? Back to back? Anybody at all? Or this one at least? I did call that one and play this one plenty of time. Just because I'm not partial to long signals doesn't mean you can't take them. I'm just saying I'm not partial to them on the YM right now. But it's proven to say, hey, look, buy me. For
Here's
the
your
near
ES.
term at least. Targets off on the ES, breakout call from wait for it. Oh, good. All right, guys. Cool. You guys are consuming this. Anybody do the ES long
Oh.
signal?
Oh,
Are you doing it?
Auto
Anybody
Trader
doing
got it.
ES long signal?
Auto Trader's got it.
Oh, nice. Good, Lulu. It's a decent trade, guys. We were saying this for a while. It is cooling up for a breakout.
This.
A couple people got it. Wayne, are the zones? Different places on the two charts. Wayne, what do you mean by that? Are the zones at different places on the two charts? Are you talking about my ES charts, Wayne? Listen, yeah. So I just put this area here on the ES chart because it's a it's been an area that's been choppy in the past, and I do it for me personally as a area that I really am not super interested to trade in. That's it. The zones are on the range chart for me, but it is time for us to switch from to a zone-free zone. Guys, listen, here's the deal. You guys need to be trading from the zones, guys. Let's look at the ES this morning. You trade from the zones on the ES. I don't know, starting all the way back at
Forever.
whenever. Yeah, forever. Look at this, guys. Look at this. You're telling me that you can't make money off these buy and sell signals from the zones. Outside your mind. You're
I
crazy.
think a lot of
No.
them just don't know exactly how to use the zone to get into a trade. Like they don't know where top, edge, middle, side. I say all of it, but it's
Yeah, you use the zone, and that's why we have trade setups, right? You use the zone, and then if you get a good trade setup in the zone, you take it. What's a good trade setup? 9-tick rule, 16-tick rule in the YM. But guys, the zones work every single day. Look at the YM zones. You telling me you couldn't took a sell signal from the YM zones? Come on. Twice in a row this morning. Yesterday, you had some pretty spectacular signals yesterday from the zones. Buy and sell signals. So be patient. Use the zones, guys. I mean, they're there and they work. We know that. Uh-oh.
Gotta love Ninja. Love it so much.
Yeah, I mean, let's talk about that too, wait for it, because we got to figure out a way to use said resource because it's way more powerful than
yeah.
you get where
Can
I'm
always
going with
make
that?
something. Yeah, I can always make
Yeah,
something where it's forced.
yeah, yeah. Let's think about that. What's up, Paul? What'd you say?
I'm just over here fighting Ninja.
You're fighting a ninja?
Me and Ninja,
Whoa,
we're
you
having
let a
at it.
ninja get in your house?
We're sparring round around here.
Oh, what kind of weapon are you using?
I'm about to pull out a pistol.
Oh my
Thing's gonna
goodness.
go.
Yeah. I don't think a mouse would work with a real ninja.
Nope.
Maybe the batteries fly out and hit him in the eyes.
Let's see, we still got people long on the YM right now. Anybody else I don't know of long on the YM? 581 is a good stop right now. Anybody still long on the ES? You're probably flat now.
Yeah, it's exhausting out, it looks like. I'd look out for that one last pop up though.
Uh-oh. Just in there deleting stuff, clicking buttons, nice. Oh no. Nice little cell signal there, guys. ES, but I missed it again.
Which
Oh no, I'll never have another trade. A nice little green trade this morning. We'll try to get another one. We're gonna do it in the workshop too. We're gonna do some trades today, hopefully, from the zones. And let's see. Still 580 on the YM stop. You'll probably go up a couple more ticks when it breaks that high there. You had a nice little buy signal come out of the zone from the ES.
that was that one I was talking about.
Oh,
Last
did you
pullback.
call that already?
Yeah, I said watch out for that last. I'd watch out for that last pullback before it drops.
Okay.
Right when you said it's starting to get weak there. You're basically, if you're still in the ES, you're probably that's what you said.
But then you got a buy signal that happened right after that.
Yeah, and I was saying that it was probably.
Okay. Did you guys get that? Did you guys hear it? Wayport and get it? I missed it for some reason. I guess my ears are clogged or something today. Hearing problems. I don't know. You guys could probably squeeze your stop a little bit more on the YM. I don't think it's got much left in it on the upside there now, guys. And you're going right into resistance on the YM. Right at resistance on the YM. Let's see. Anybody else do the long on the ES? It's a good long trade. Good job, Lulu. You're nailing those entries too. Huh. All right, those of you out there that are stealing our feed here, we're going to find you, and you're going to get in trouble. Thieves.
I think I just broke my.
Bunch of thieves. If you really want to hack into us and steal our stuff, is that really what you want to do, guys? That's sad. Sad. Really sad. There's somebody out there, guys. Somebody out there stealing our stuff. If you found out who it is, please let me know. We're gonna find them, and if I find you, I will literally beat the living crap out of you. Take that as my promise. Chris Camacho, you dirty dog. Get out of here. If you guys know who Chris Camacho is, give me his phone number and his address. We'll send a bag of poop on fire to his door. Chris Camacho is a stealing person.
What's he doing? Like just jumping in?
Stealing our feed. Through one of our members is hacked. Somehow, I don't know how. Somebody is. Somebody gave up. Probably clicked on something wrong on their email or something like
Make
that.
everybody change their passwords.
Yeah, everybody change their passwords. Do that.
You can probably get the whoever the server is for this, you can probably set it in there to make everybody change their password.
Yeah, we're gonna do that. We're that as soon as
Security
Paul, when
measures.
are we gonna do that? Have everybody change their passwords next week at the latest. Yeah.
Yeah, I mean,
I
if
mean,
you,
I guess stealing is a form of flattery, though. I mean, if they're stealing our feed here, that's kind of flattering. I mean, why are they stealing ours and not anybody else's? Because we're good at what we do. We're good at what we do.
I'm just locked up over here.
Can you be more specific? What?
Uh,
The magnet line. I was stuck by my. Yeah, So it's just what she's done is she's really fine. Can I talk, Lulu, or you want to jump on and say it?
yeah, Lulu, jump
Want
on.
to jump on and talk about it? Okay. Yeah, maybe.
Lulu would be a good in
Fine.
a
Lulu, come
relay
on.
race.
I'm here.
Ish.
Pass the baton.
I'm here. My son.
So I'm gonna let her talk about it, but basically she's taken the zone training and become a ninja at it. All right, you take off.
Okay. Well, yesterday my line was at 50.00, and that's just where going back. But right now, I've got my magnet line's been moved to 1.50, and that's where I went with my violet now. It just shows where the market kind of deadheads. I've got an echo in my head. Let's try to share my screen. Hang on. Because I'm about to get to a runner. Here we go.
Okay. Thanks. Black screen.
Is it black?
No, somebody else see it? Okay, Ghost Pepper sees it. It's just me.
Okay.
I'm probably doing too much. Okay, I see it now. Oh wow,
Okay.
yours looks just like Brian's.
So I have another magnet line up here at 61.50. And that's probably based off my range chart. Nope. We're going back in time.
You're doing great.
Yeah, I am.
I believe in positive reinforcement.
Well, I thought.
You know, they got stuff for that.
I could use that.
So tell them about your stuff.
I'm trying to figure out a spot to talk about now.
Well, pan out future lines. You know, what's around you, what's going on.
I'm getting laggy though with my mouse because of the computer feed. Okay, well here's a good spot. Right here on my map. Or my
Give them
chart.
an if or.
A what?
If or. If it does this, I'll do that. If
Oh.
or it'll do this, and then I'll do that.
Okay, well, first things first, I'm looking for spots where the candlesticks are dead-ending. So if you can see right here, we've got deading here. Just keep looking for it to, and throughout the day it changes. Right about there, yeah, that's a good line. So 49.00 would be a new line. And I think I'm going to move this line right here. If I didn't get it to move. So right there. So when the market comes down, I would expect it to stall right here on this line. And depending on how stochastics and how volatile the market is, I would put a buy order down here underneath the line. Or when it retraces or goes lower, it'll probably trace up here and I'll do a sell limit. That's how I do it.
Did you tell them where you're hoping will happen and what you plan on doing?
Right now, well, on the 49.00 line, just wait to see how the market's reacting when it comes closer to that line. See, right here's another good spot where the market stalled. So when it goes down, I expect it to hiccup right here.
Now tell them what you ate yesterday.
Let's see, what did I eat yesterday? Vegetable soup.
What's your favorite shampoo?
I don't use shampoo. I'm a no push shampoo girl.
Dreadlocks.
Oh,
She also uses deodorant.
yeah.
What is it?
All right, guys. Did you get your runner, Lulu? No?
It was so close.
Close. No cigarettes.
Yep.
All right. Well, it's been a good morning so far, guys. Even if you really, really need some ticks, let us know. Meaning that you can private chat myself, wait for it. Even Lulu, you can private chat her.
You can now?
No. We need to make it that way, though. Is everybody listening? Like Miss Paulina, Coach Paul lost his internet. Hugo, can we get Lulu's access on PTR to admin?
Oh my God.
Unless you're the one stealing our stream and feeding it to other people.
No,
What? That's just.
I'm pretty
that's just
computer illiterate.
People
I was about to
people
say, I
that
don't
do
think
that.
he has the capability
That's
of
just
that.
silly. You wanna take like another first touch rule again on the YM guys? First touch rules are back. I keep saying it. Got one on the ES as well.
Let's see,
Missed the
okay.
call, but now's the point in the day where we're gonna say, hey, look, guys, if you need any ticks, ask Lulu or wait for it, and they're gonna get you some ticks. What? Lulu, you're under the gun now.
Oh
We've done
God,
trading
it's
today
my
anyway, right?
birthday. Don't do this.
It's not your first day. Shush it.
My birthday.
Oh, so yeah, this is your birthday present.
Oh God,
Happy birthday, by the way.
thanks.
This is your birthday present. You can do it.
I know.
You
I
know
just
you
got a
can
little
do it.
nervous.
Use your lines.
Mhm.
Call a trade from your lines. That's all you gotta do. One trade. Get
Yeah,
Ghost
if
Paper
you don't
Green.
see something, say you don't see anything. Like it's, don't force it.
Yeah, don't no need. Lulu knows that. You're not gonna force anything, right, Lulu? You're gonna be
Yeah, but
conservative.
it's different when you're
No,
under the gun.
I was thinking about a settlement up here, but you guys got me nervous.
All right, relax. Well, obviously, you're probably looking at some. At this point, you're probably looking at the long trades. So I'd say be patient. Take a long trade. Tick me, please. All right. Who's good?
Say wait for it to.
All right. Everybody wants some ticks. You guys want ES or YM? Viv, you're on YM, right? Yes. Yep. All right. I'll try to before I step off here in like 10 or 15 minutes. I'll try to find you something, Viv, on the YM. That way, Lulu and Wait For It can conspire to find you ticks on the ES.
My conspiring is coming to an end with a pivot right here.
Right, well, listen to what she says, guys. There's a little M starting to form on the YM there. You could probably get a couple ticks on that.
Just
Little
updated.
wonky M.
It should be good.
It's counter trend, counter everything, but you should be able to get targets off on it. There you go, targets off. Boom. Definitely have targets off now on the YM. You guys didn't call anything like yes, right? Did you?
No, I would maybe buy it on a buy right here.
Did you get it, Viv? Did you get it? IKR. I don't understand what IKR is. What is IKR? What is that previous?
I know, right?
Need.
I know, right?
Lady Ty, I called that M there on the YM. Did either of you grab that? No,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah, that.
No. What did Ed say?
That's what I was saying.
What are they talking about?
I know, right? IKR.
Oh, Lulu. Perfect. Lulu can do it. Lady Ty missed it. Viv, did you get that short that I called? Too late. All right. Try to get you guys ticks just in. Right here. M wonky M forming.
There for retrace.
All right. Then you're gonna look for what on the long side? We're at 10:30 yet. Probably gonna see a little bit of a 10:30 reversal. I would think today. About 10 more minutes with me, guys, and then I'm gonna switch over to getting ready for the workshop.
What are we covering in the workshop today?
We'll talk about trading from swings and jump right into entries, exits, targets, trade management.
All right, good stuff.
Okay.
Get some yeses from everybody who's going to go. Everybody should be going.
What did you say now?
So get some yeses from everybody that's going.
I think everybody's going, right?
Yeah, I said, well, everybody should be going. So
All right, guys. We are going to slow it down a little bit. Did anybody do the short? Anybody do a short I called on the YM? And there was probably a short happening at the same time on the ES. Anybody do that? Anybody at all do it? Oh, Vid did it. Okay, cool. Then you got some profit out of that. Now, if you get a decent buy signal, you can probably look at trying to get that buy signal, like a 16 tick rule or something like that on the YM. Yes, you're probably getting a little bit of buy signal from here. Lulu, you didn't call that?
No, because I didn't have a bunch of faith in it, and it's going against me.
I called one for both all you guys. So everybody that needed ticks, targets off.
Yeah, what did it say about these reverses?
I gave you plenty of time on that one, guys.
Pull
Good
back.
job. Nice. Keep it, Viv. Don't give
Every
that
chance
back.
they can get.
All right, everybody should be in the long targets off, YM and ES. Everybody that said they needed ticks. And stops to no lose. Sit back and See if it goes any further. If it doesn't, nice little scalp trade. If it does, we'll probably have a little more. Let's see. You think it'd be, you think it'd try to get to that 65 area, 64, 65. It keeps creeping up there. So you'd think it would try to. YM is going to battle with that R1 area. So make sure your target's off, stops to no lose. I don't know what your entry is, so I can't tell you your exact stop. All I can tell you is do some math. Now the ES, you can use a stop of 55.25. The YM's going to try to take your stop out. Yeah, again, just this little resistance area here on the YM is pretty pretty gnarly. All right, everybody got a piece of that then? I would imagine. Everybody, anybody? Trials, members. Hello. All right,
Hello.
everybody, we are going to reset the room. We're going to reset the room, guys. Everybody, know that you know. Nice, Viv. 5 days on the 30-day challenge. How many people are doing this? How many people are? Can I ask? Is it? I don't want to embarrass anybody, but how many people? Who's still in the runnings on the 30-day challenge, guys? Viv, we got Hugh. Hugh is. We have Lulu. Obviously, we've got. Let's see. Who else is in it? Who else is doing it? We got. Let's see. I've got. Trying to see who else is in this. I think. Well, guys, I'm gonna reset the room. We'll make you go back in. See if we can figure out who these spies are that are stealing your stuff. Nobody's in the long trade, huh? Anybody in the long trade? I know there are a few people are, but anybody that I don't know of, I called it. Okay. All right, guys. And Sim, all right, that's cool. Rich, good job. Good deal. Stop on the YM to 634. Stop on the ES. I'd say just get behind the they're at was that 56.75, and then oh,
Welcome to Bree Trading Club, everyone. Miss Paulina here. Hopefully you've enjoyed our live stream this morning. If you're interested in joining us live in the trade room for live trade calls, visit libertytradingclub.com. In the description of this video, there's a link for a free trial. Please like, subscribe, and share.